In this simple C tutorial, we will be discussing logical operators. There are three logical operators, and, or, and not. So on lines 15 and 16, I declared two variables, x and y. And the first case we'll go over is how to use the and operator. So for this example, I say if x is less than 20 and y is greater than 1, both values match the criteria. So to perform the and, you have to use this symbol here. The next logical operator we'll discuss is the or operator, and that is denoted like this. So this is if either or are true. So if x is less than 5 or x is greater than 9, then we print out one of the comparisons is true. And then lastly, we discuss the not operator, and that's denoted with the exclamation point. So um, basically, this returns 0 if the result is 1. So this statement prints out x is less than 20. Hope this helped with the logical operators. Thanks for watching this short, simple C tutorial. Please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.